Hello everyone. How are you doing? Now you have that kind of a question there on the chalkboard. This is what we are going to see by solving using exponential properties. Guys, you have to see this question here on chalkboard, please. You're going to use exponential properties for solving this kind of exponential equation. Now you have to subscribe for those who are new, and you have to add a comment, even share. So now we should continue. Let us continue by solving that kind of question there on the chalkboard. Please comment and subscribe. Yes, thank you. Now we are going to solve that kind of exponential equations, please. Please, I'm waiting you, please. So let's move on. Let us move on. Now here we have given this kind of exponential equation. So here about exponential equations, I have to remind you some properties of exponential equations for those who forgotten them. So in exponential equations or exponential properties, in exponential we have some properties. So those are properties we should have if you have a power 0 is equal to 1. This is applicable in exponential equations. This is the first property. Also here at the A, if we have, let's use this symbol, if we have, for example, e power 0 is equal to also to 1. Now the second exponential, the property of our exponential equations, it is when we have, for example, a power 1 is equal to a. Also should have e power 1 is equal to e. So these are the two properties that we should focusing on while we are solving a kind of that exponential equation. So please think about this equation. We are going to do it after. Yes? Please guys subscribe. So now let us continue. Let us continue for solving this kind of exponential. Now, focusing on these properties that you have here, we are going to see the easy way of solving these exponential equations. So now the first, what should we do here, please? Let us have, for example, here we have, this is a 3, here we have 27. So you have to see whether should we factorize this 27 into simple form. If you see this is 27, it should be factorized. Now we should do it clearly. Yes? Now let us do it by factorizing. Now we have 27. We are going to factorize it. We have 27 here. Yes, where should I write? Let me write here 27. Now 27, it should be factorized by 3. We remain with 9. We use a 3. We remain with 3. And 3 we remain with 1. Now it is 27, which is equal to 3 power 1 to 3. Yes? In the place of 27, this is 27, you have to write 3 power 3. In the place of this 27, you have to write this one. Now let us back to our original equation. We have 3. Let us solve this kind of exponential equation. We have, it is 3 power x plus 1, which is equal to, it is 27 equal to 3 power 3. Now it is 3 power is 3. So at here, what should we do? we are going to eliminate the two similar base. Here, base, it means that you have to eliminate them and remain with their powers. For example, here, I told you, if you have, for example, let me write here, if you have a, for example, power n, which is equal to a power x, because here we have similar base. Left side we have a and right side we have a also. These are two similar base. You have to cancel those two bases and you write their powers. Now let's remain with it is you have to cancel these two similar base and we remain with x plus 1 is equal to that number 3. Yes? Now, after that, we are going to solve this linear equation. Please, what you have to know here? Yeah, you have to know this. Let me show you another things that you have to know. You have to differentiate a linear equation and exponential equation. So for linear equations, I have explained them for the last videos. For the linear equations, it is when y is equal to, for example, ax plus b. So there's a two letters a and b are numbers. Yes, are numbers. It should be numbers from real. Yes, are numbers. It means, for example, so suppose that there's a letters becoming a number. How should we write this linear equation? It is when y is equal to, for example, x plus 2. This is a linear equation. This one is a linear equation, yes? But for exponential equation, exponential, for exponential equation, exponential, exponential, exponential equation, yes? For exponential equations are equations which has on the number, it has a power. For example, we have y which is equal to, for example, it is 2 power x. You see, this is an exponential equation. You see that exponential equation is totally different from a linear equation. You see, those two equations are totally different. So now we come back to our equation here. You have to find out the solution. We are going to collect the similar terms, which is x will be equal to, you have to write this 3. And here we have plus 1. It is in the first member, means this plus 1 needs to come to the second member. The sign will be changed. Now minus 1. X will be equal to this number 2. You see? This is a value of x that you have asked to find. Yes, it is how to solve an exponential equation. I think that at the end, everyone have seen how to solve an exponential equation. So now let us continue for showing you another things. How should we, or another way of solving these exponential equations? Another easy way. You have to choose among those two ways that I'm going to show you. This is the first way. I'm going to show you the second one. Now, please, you have to share this video to your friends, and we shall continue after some times. Yes, welcome, Salima. Salima, welcome. Please share. Share, please share. Share this video. Now let us continue by showing you another way of solving this exponential equation. This was the first method. You have to choose a good method among the two methods that I'm going to show you. It was the first one. Now the second method, you have this 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 27. You have to remember what I told you here. You have to factorize this 27 so that this 27 becoming like this number of here. There should be similar numbers. Now, I showed you that 27, its factor form, it should be divisible by 3. We remain with 9, also 9, it should be divisible by 3. We remain with 3, also 3 itself, we remain with 1. Means 27 is equal to 3 power 1 to 3. Yes? Now in the place of 27, we have to write this number and we remain with 3 power x plus 1 will be equal to 3 power 3. Because 27 is equal to this one. Look at here. Yes? Very good. So now let's continue. Here, those are two sides. We are going to multiply this. It is logarithmic. It is another function that we use in mathematics for solving exponential equations. We have a choose logarithm of, it is log of 3x plus 1 is equal to log of 3 power this 3. You see? Now, what's the next? In logarithmic equations, for example, when we have, I have done it, please, you have to revise what I did for the last videos. I have explained them clearly. Now, when you have a logarithmic of, for example, 3 in base 3, this is equal to 1. Yes? Also, when you have a logarithmic of 10 in the base of 10, this is equal to 1. So you have to see how is the number that I have here is it similar as the number of a base from this side. If those numbers are similar, it is equal to 1. Yes? Now let's continue by solving that kind of equation. Now we still have it is logarithmic of 3 in base power x plus 1 equal logarithmic of 3 power 3. Also, another thing that you have to remember, if you have, for example, log of a power x, yes, log of a. So this a will come here and will remain with it is x log of a in base a. You see? You see here? Please, you have to pay attention for this question here. Pay attention. Yes? Please pay attention. Now, let us continue. Yes? Think about that on that property there. So, this will be equal to what? We remain with this is as they are, those two numbers are the same, we remain with it will be x. Now, it is what we are going to use at this one. You see? This is what we are going to use at this one. Now, as I told you, here we should have, when we have this one, it will be equal to this. When you have also logarithm of 2 power y in the base of 2, it will be this y will come here and remain with y log of 2 in the base of 2. Now they are both numbers are similar. Yes, you have to cancel them. We remain with this one. Yes. Now let us continue by finalizing this equation. Please, you have for those who are new, you have to subscribe. And you have to do like this one. Like, we remain with this power will come here. It is x plus 1. Yes. Log of 3 equal 3 log of this is 3. You see? Now here, these are the same. You should do this one and remain with x plus 1 is equal to this number 3. Then after the value of x, it will be, yes, 3 minus 1. Now, let us finalize our question. X, it will be 2. You see, this is the value of x. So I think, you see, those two ways of solving exponential equation, you have to choose the good one. Yes, you have to choose the fitable one while we are solving the kind of this exponential equations. So let's continue for the next exercises. Yes, good. Please remember to subscribe. Now let us have another example. Let us have another example. We are still on exponential equations. For example, we have 6 power 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 power 2x plus 2, for example. You see, same powers, but different bases. Same powers, you see, there's the 2 powers are similar, but different bases. How should we solve this kind of exponential equation? Think me it, please. And you're going to solve it after thinking on it, please. Yes? See it clearly and think what should we or how should we solve this kind of exponential equations. Let's come after thinking on this equation. Yes? Thank you, if these are news. If these are news. Oh, I am teaching those who are in senior 5. Those who are in senior 5, this course is relating to those who are in senior 5. I'm sorry for those who are in senior 1. You have to write in a comment what I have to prepare for you, or I have to prepare for you your lessons. I will do it, please don't worry. You are in senior 1, don't worry, please. Write in comment. If there is a news, write in comment. I am going to prepare for you your lesson. Even if there are another ones, you have to share these videos. But about these ones, I have used about logarithmic. Also, it should use it should be solvable in those who are in senior 2. But it's somehow complicating. Generally, it is in senior 5. It is in senior 5. Those who are in senior 5, there's a content that concerning to those who are in senior 5. Yes? If there is a news, I will please prepare a lesson concerning to your senior 1. Thank you. Write in the comment, please, what you need to understand in senior 1. For those who are still on the channel, please comment and tell me whether we can continue. Think about that question, please. Please don't move. Think about this question, please. We are going to solve it. Thanks, this is a news. So I am a teacher of mathematics. I am just replying to Mr. Ibziza News. I teach in senior 3 mathematics and senior 4, senior 5, and senior 6. Yes? Thank you. This is where I am just teaching mathematics. Please don't worry, I'm going to prepare your lessons concerning to senior 1. Yes? If this, I think you have understandable what I prayed to your message there. Please try to subscribe for those who are new and share it to your colleagues. Please, you have to like. If you see the lesson is most helpful, please like my lesson. I gave you this a question. You have to think about this. What are you going to do? Yes? After seeing how should we solve an exponential equations, I showed you two methods of solving exponential equations. So now we are going to see how should we solve this one. The first equation that we have solved, it was about when we have given, for example, different powers, yes, but the same base. It was, for those who are new, it was like this one, 3 power something a plus x, which is equal to 9. Yes, it was the first question that you have done. Now in this equation, for example, this a is a number. For example, we have x plus 4. Yes? Now here you see, what have we done for that first question? We have transformed this one into a product, yes, or into a coefficient, into a product of this one. It means we need here to have a number similar as this one. You see, it is 9, you have to factorize it. 9 should be divisible by 3, we remain with 3. Also 3 itself, we remain with 1. Here we have seen 9 is equal to 3 power 1, 2. Yes? In the place of 9, we have to put this 3 power 2. We remain with 3 is equal to now 3 square. Yes, so it is power x plus 4. Now, because those two bases are similar, what should we do? When the bases are similar, you have to cancel those two bases and write their powers. Now it is x plus 4, which is equal to 2. Now you have to finalize this equation personally. We have done it, please. It was the first question. Yes? Now we have seen how should we solve a kind of these equations by using another method. Yes? Another method, it was concerning about logarithmic. Yes? We have seen it, please. Now, we are going to solve these equations. You see here, those two bases are totally different, but the same powers. How should we solve this kind of exponential equation? Think about it, please, on this equation. We are going to solve it. Yes? You have to think on this equation. How should we solve this question? It is 2. How should we solve this equation? It is what you are going to do. Ibyiza so yishamaga byiza ni aha, very good. Please, ibyiza, very good. Do it. Thank you. Thank you. But don't leave here. Still here, please, and make a share. Huh? Now let us continue. We are going to continue by solving this exponential equations where we have similar powers by totally different bases. Now here, what should we do? You see this power, this number here, it is 6, has a power of 2x plus 3. Yes? What you are going to do? We are going to factorize also this 6. We are going to factorize this 6. Let me screen this. Let me clean this. Guys, you have to share, please. And for who are are new, you have to subscribe. Yes? Let's factorize this 6. It is 6. It has how many factors? We remain with 2 is divisible by this 6, we remain with 3. Also 3, it should be divided by itself, remaining with 1. Now 6 is equal to 3 times 2. You see, these are the two factors of this number 6. So in our equation there we have, in the place of this 6, we have to write there's the two factors. Yes? Now let's continue. We have 6 power 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 power 2x plus 2. Yes, it is our original equation. So now let's solve it, please. Remember what I told you. We are going to substitute this 6 by its factors. We are going to substitute this 6 by its factors. Yes? Yes, God of grace. Good. Yes, thank you. Please, for those who are new, subscribe. For those who also are our students, please share it to your colleagues. Yes, these mathematics are most helpful, please, for those who are going to study engineering. Yes, engineering, different engineering, even if in construction, for those who will be engineers in construction, for those who will be engineers in electricity, please try to share it, please. This is most helpful in engineering. Now, let's substitute this 6 by its factor. Now, remain with, it is 3 times 2 power 2x plus 2, which is equal to 2 power 2x plus 2. Now, what should we have at this step? We are going to take, here we have the two factors and one power. We are going to take one factor. It means that we are going to separate those two factors. We are going to separate those two factors by taking one factor with this power. Also, we take this factor with this power. Yes? Now, let's come to this part. We have here, we have 3 times 2 power 2x plus 2. Yes, it is equal to this one, 2 power 2x plus 2. Now, as I told you at the last line, we are going to take this 3 and power this one. We take 3 power 2x plus 2 times 2 power 2x plus 2. It is equal to 2 power 2x plus 2. Now, think about what you are going to do for the next step. Observe this equation and think what are we going to do. Yes? Please, for those who are still here, try to share and like our videos, please. For those who are new, subscribe, please, and write a comment. You have to write a comment there. I need your comments there, please. Whether what should we improve, what should we please add in our lesson. Yes, please show me if we are together. For those who are new, subscribe. For those who are our students, please try to comment in our comment box. Also, you have to share this video. Now I'm asking you, what are you going to do here? Observe this question. At this step, what are we going to do? Yes? If this is amusing, do it, please. And encourage them to come here, please. Encourage them to come here. This will be done for live, how to teach on live every Saturday, every Sunday from 8, yes, from 8 up, and from 2, yes, 2 o'clock up, every Saturday and Sunday. You have to be on this platform, right? We teach live. So now let's continue. Well, how should we solve this kind of equation? If this is a thanks, and do it, please. Again, please. How should we solve this kind of equation? How should we solve that kind of equation? Observe where we are. Now we are going to continue by solving this kind of equation. How should we solve this kind of equation? So now here you see we have this factor times this also 1, which is equal to this one. So we are going to see the similar factor, and we divide that similar factor to both sides. Yes? See, this factor is similar. Now we are going to divide this one here and here. It means it is 3 power 2x plus 2 times, yes, 2 power 2x plus 2 over that similar factor is this one. 2 power 2x plus 2, which is equal to 2 power 2x plus 2 over also this factor plus 2. Yes? Now it is how to solve this one, because these two factors are similar. You have to divide it to both sides. Now what should we remain? We are going to cancel similar factors. This factor will be cancelled with this one. This also will be cancelled with this one. We remain with 3 power 2x plus, we remain with 3 power 2x plus 2 is equal to, yes, here we have remained with 1 is equal to number 1. Yes? Now what should we do for the next step? Think about what are we going to do. If this is a thank you, but also you have to do it so. For those who are new, please subscribe. Also, for those who need to continue our lessons, yes, it is better to subscribe to see what we are doing every time. Yes? In the comment, I need what should we improve, what should I teach you for the next session. Now, let us continue. How should we solve this equation? How should we solve this question there? Now let me show you some properties. Let me show you some properties that you are going to follow. Remember I told you some properties at the beginning. At the beginning, I have showed you if you have a power 0, yes, is equal to 1. I think everyone remember this is a property. Also, this similar, if you have e power 0 is equal to also 1. So, as a short, in a simple way, or in few words, any number power 0, is equal to 1. It is in simple way. Any number power 0 is equal to 1. Also, when you have, I gave you these properties. When you have a power 1 is equal to a, also similar as when you have e power 1 is equal to e. There's the two properties. I have written them here at the beginning before solving this kind of exponential equation. So now let us continue by finalizing this our question. Now, see, you have to see this one is clearly. Let me give you some minutes for seeing this clearly. This is the first property, the second one. Any number, even if it is this number, power 0, power 0 is equal to 1. Yes, any number. So now it is what you have here. Any power 0 is equal to 1. Any number power 0 is equal to 1. Yes? Even if it is x power 0 is equal to also 1. Now, even if any letter should be y power 0 is equal to 1. These are two letters. Yes? Any letter, any number power 0 is equal to 1. Please, for those who are new, subscribe. I need your comment there by showing you whether we are doing a good things for you. Now let us continue. We do these things. How should we finalize that question? Now there we need a number. We need a number here. We need a number here, which is similar as the number that we have here. Yes? Power, any power, I don't know that power, the answer will be equal to this one. Remember what I told you among those two properties. I told you that if you have a power 0 is equal to this one. Now, back here, we are going to power this number 0. How should this number equal? For example, we have a 3 power 0. This is 3. Yes, let me write this one. Power 0. How it is? According to this property. There's 4 properties. According to those 4 properties, any number power 0. Please look this one. Any number power 0. What is the answer? I'm asking you. Any number power 0. What is the answer? Please write in the comment. I'm waiting you. Any number power 0. Randomly we take 3 because here we have a 3. 3 power 0 in the comment. What is the answer? For those who are new, I asked you please, any number power 0, how is it? In comment, write it in comment. A number power 0, according to what I explained here. A number power 0. How is the answer? In the comment. I'm waiting your answer. We have a 3 power 0. It is equal to. Please write it in the comment, please. Those who are here, 3 power 0. What is an answer? I'm waiting your answer in the comment. Write it in the comment. Write it in the comment. Please. No, sir. I'm waiting you. 3 power 0 is equal to? In the comment, please. Write the answer in the comment. Oh. Let us continue. Now, according to those properties, these properties that I gave you, any number power 0, I have said them, or I have said some properties. Any number power 0 is equal to 1. Isn't it? You see, any number power 0 is equal to 1. Yes? I asked you, answer this question. 3 power 0. How is the answer? Write it in the comment. In the comment. I asked you, 3 power 0. What is the answer? Any number power 0. I have explained it before. Write in the comment. 3 power 0 in the comment. What is the answer? 3 power 0. Answer is in the comment. Now, 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Please, I missed your answer in the comment. Let us continue. Now, please, for those who are new, subscribe. Also, for those who are in senior 4, senior 5, senior 6, you have to visit our channel. There are most lessons concerning to you. Now, subscribe for those who are new. So let us continue by solving this question. Let us continue by solving this question. This is 2. So now we remain with, well, we have 3 power 2x plus 2 is equal to 1. As I told you, we have changed this one into this because here we had this 3. Now we have 3 power 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 power 0. Clear? Now we are going to do what? How are we going to do? We are going to simplify. Because when we have similar base, You have to cancel those two bases and you will write the remaining powers. It is this will be cancelled with this one and remain with 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, let us finalize our question by solving it. By solving it. Yes. Now the question we have 2 power 2. Sorry. Is it that one? Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, yeah, it is. This remaining one, 2x plus 2. Now, it is 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes? So, let us, at this step, we are going to correct similar terms, means like terms. Those terms which have unknown will come in the first member. Those terms which has no unknown will come to the second member. We remain with 2x, which is equal to, because we have only one unknown, which is equal to this 0. And you see, this is plus 2. It is the first member. It is going to the second member. The sign that it has the first member will be changed into minus. Now this minus 2. Then 2x will be equal to minus 2. The remaining x will be equal to minus 2 over 2. Yes, finally, x will be equal to minus 1. Now, this is final solution about how to solve exponential equations. Now, how is it? Yes, how is it? Now, I need you to solve this equation. Let me see, please. Yes, at my channel nitwa Ibyiza. Thank you, Ibyiza. I will visit you, don't worry. I will visit your channel. Yes, I will visit you. I will visit you, don't worry, please. Yes, I have seen your name. After doing this live, I will visit your channel, don't worry. Please, for those who are new, try to subscribe. Try to share this video to your colleagues. Also, it is better to write something in the comments. Yes, please. Yes, thank you. Very good. Others, please, I need your support. I need your support. I need your support. Yes, Ibyiza, you have to write me, please. You have to write me. It is better, please, to send to me your number, your phone number, or your email. You have to do it. For others who are new, please, you have to subscribe and you have to write in the comment how was the session. So let's continue by showing you another example. Another example there. It was about this one. Please, I need you personally, each and everyone, to do these questions. Yes? Everyone, you have to do these questions by using second method that I gave you. It is about how to solve this exponential by using logarithmic. Yes? You have to solve these equations by using logarithmic. I need, please, everyone to do that equation there. Use logarithmic for solving this equation. Now another question. Another questions that you're going to solve. For example, solve of this over 4. For example, I'm giving this power 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 power 3x plus 1. Now, I need you to solve this equation, please. How should you solve that kind of equation? Please, how should you solve that kind of exponential equation? Think about the question that you have there. Hey, how should we solve this kind of equation that you have on chalkboard? How should we solve that kind of equation? Think about it, please. You have to observe that equation and see how should we solve this equation. I gave you this equation here. It is another form of exponential. How should we solve this equation there? So now let me show you how should we solve that equation. Please, those who are new, remember to subscribe. So I think afternoon also, we shall discuss about integrals for those students in senior 6. We shall discuss about integrals. Now, I have to remind you some another properties. If we have, for example, if we have a, you see, a power, for example, power minus n, you see, this one is, yes, think about that thing there. Yes, here, if you have a power, this n, this will be equal to, we have to change this negative into positive one, where we should have denominator and numerator. It should be a fraction ones. This one minus will be 1 over a power n. It is how to change, to convert this into this one. You see, if you have this one, it is better to change this one into this one. Now, if we have this one, also you should do be change this into this one. It depends on how we are going to use that kind of or that property. So now it is what you are going to apply on this equation. This is what you are going to use on this question. So we are going to change this one. You see, it is similar as what you have here. Now we are going to change this into this one. Yes, you see, we have think. I'm waiting you. The one who is those who are there. We are going to change this one. You see, this one are similar to this one. Those are somehow similar, but we are going to change this one into this one. It means we are going to change also this one into this one. We remain with 4 power minus, it is this minus, this n is equal to this power. You see? 3x plus 1. It is equal to 2 power 2x plus 1. Now, we need here, we need that this 4 is going to be like this number 2. How we are going to have the same number? By factorizing. We are going to factorize this 4. You see? Now here, before factorizing, let's multiply this minus in the bracket. We have 4 power this multiply to this minus 3x. Also come to multiply to this number minus 1. It is 2 power 2x plus 1. Yes? Now, as I told you, we are going to factorize this number 4. So, let's factorize that number 4. Number 4, it's factor 4. We have a 4 in factor form. We remain 4 is divisible by 2. We remain with 2. Also, 2 is divisible by 2. We remain with 1. Finally, it is 4, which is equal to 2 power 1 2 power 2. Now we are going to substitute this 4 by 2 power 2. We are coming here. It is 4, which was 2 power 2 factor. We have this power. You see? You see? It is minus 3 minus 1, cross the bracket, it is equal to 2 power 2x. Yes? You see? Yes, excuse me. Here it was 3. Yes, it was 3, I'm sorry. 3x. Yes. 3x here also. It was 3. Yes. X plus 1. Yes, now let's continue. Let's continue. Now it is 2 power 2 factor this minus 3 minus 1. We have minus 3x here. Minus 3x. Yes, minus 3x. 3x minus 1, cross the bracket, is equal to 2 3x plus 1. Now, yes, let me see. The one called the catch with activity. Hello 2. Hello 2. I'm greeting you, please. For those who are new, please subscribe and try to share it. Share it. For those who are new, subscribe and write a comment. Yes. Mr. Catch with activity. Thank you very much. Now let's continue. Here, you see we have the same base. If we have the same base, it means we are going to cast those two same base and we write their powers. We remain with this, will be cancelled with. We remain with 2 times minus 3x minus 1, close the bracket, is equal to 3x plus 1. Now, what is the next? This is simply a linear equation. Let's solve that simple linear linear equation. How should we solve this simple linear equation for everyone? Yes? Now, we are going to remove this bracket. It is 2. We take this 2 times this 3, this 3x. It is minus 6. Minus 6x. And you take this 2 times minus 1. It is minus 2, which is equal to this 3x plus 1. Yes? Now finally let us have we are going to correct similar terms together. Yes? Now, how should we correct them? We are going to take those numbers which has unknown being in the first member, and the numbers which has not unknown in the second member. We have minus 6x. This 3 comes from second member to the first member. The sign that it has second member, it will be changed into minus, because here there is positive 3x, which is equal to, we have it right, plus 1. And here we have minus 2, it will be plus 2. Yes? Now here, I told you, if you have a loan, yes, let me use a loan of dollars or francs, like two $2, yes, which is negative, and negative 40, like this. Yes, it means that you have biggest loan. It means you have first loan plus this second loan. It means you have a loan of these dollars. You see, it is how to do this equation. Now, let's have, this is minus 9x, which is equal to, it is plus 3. Clear? Now, what is the value of x? Finally, how is the value of x? How is the value of x? Yes. How is the value of x? We have minus 9x, which is equal to 3. Now we are going to divide these coefficients of x here. Now we made with, it is minus 9x over minus 9. It is 3 over minus 9. This with this one will remain with 1. It is x, which is equal to, you have to simplify by 3, here by 3, yes, we remain with here, with 3, x will be equal to minus 1 over 3. So this is a final solution of how should we solve this kind of exponential equations. Now let me say thank you for watching our video. Thank you also for those who are new. I think they have subscribed and they have shared it to their friends. So let me say nice morning for those who are just the morning. So let's meet at when, at Also, we shall do another live at let me give you a good hour. I mean, it is now 10 past 20. So let's meet at 3. At 3, yes, 3, like this one. At 3 o'clock, we shall meet at 3 o'clock. Another, we have to study another things concerned to mathematics live. So thank you for taking a kind. This is the most helpful. See you next time. Enjoy your morning. Also, enjoy your meal. Let me say, even if your breakfast, for those who are going to take a breakfast, thank you very much. Please, you have to remember all things that I told you. You have to subscribe, you have to share, you have to do everything here in our platform. You have to do everything. For those who are new, please subscribe, like in the comment, what should we do for the next session. Someone who has related to me, it was who is called Ibziza News. So I have just catched your answer. I have catched your questions that I'm going to solve or to prepare something relating to uh, senior one contents. Yes, thank you. See you at this hour at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock today. We shall meet again. Now, also, you have to think about this content. Thank you very much. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.